Hello my loves. So in today's video I'm going to be testing out this Camille Rose Moisture Milk Leave-In, which I absolutely love. It's really moisturizing, it defines my curls, and it just makes them feel so soft and springy. And I love when my hair dries, like once my hair dries, I love how my hair feels. And I put gel on top of the leave-in, but still I could just feel the difference in my hair when I use this leave-in. The only thing that I'm thinking about is that I feel like it does shrink my curls because it moisturizes them so much. I don't know, but I'm still testing that theory out. So I don't know 100% yet. So I'm not going to say that it does, but we will see. So the hairstyle that I did for this video, I just parted my hair down the side like a side part, and then I parted it to my ear, and then I divided that section into two pieces, and I braided the top piece. I had to speed up through this part because it was taking too long. But yeah, I just braided that piece and I put a rubber band on the end of it. To make sure the hairstyle locks in, I added more gel, and then I did my baby hairs. And to speed up the process, to show you guys the results of this leave-in, I did diffuse my hair, but I normally do not. But I did for this video. And then here I am taking out the crunchiness that I might have from the gel and fluffing out my curls. So that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you are enjoying my content, don't forget to give that thumbs button a little tap and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.